Hello everyone, I am Kate, and today I will focus on the data transfer tool used between mobile phones of various systems' MobiSync software. MobiSync is a phone-to-phone software which can easily help you to transfer contacts, photos, videos, per minute music, and more between Android, iOS, iPhone computer devices each other safely and quickly. Next, no matter which two phones you want to transfer contacts, photos, per minute music, videos, data, you can download and install it for free from our official website. Next, I will demonstrate our simple operation steps to let you solve it easily. After installing MobiSync on computer, please connect the two mobile phones to the computer with the USB. You'll be required to plug mobile devices to computer with USB cables, no matter you want to transfer data between Android or iPhone devices. Go to the computer screen, then you can see the successful connection. After you confirm the access on mobile phone, the program will begin to scan your phone immediately. After the scanning, you can see different data types have been listed on the left pane. You can click the preview the file you want. It is time to move data now. You should choose the data you want to move from the left side, then click the Add button. If you want to import data to your mobile phone, otherwise you should click the Tune Export to Device icon or the third Export to PC icon to get data off your device. Finally, select Files from the pop-up window and click Open. Select Folder to start transferring. I'll introduce you this video about how to easily transfer data between two smartphones. Of course, if this is helpful to you, you can also try to download it from our official website for free trial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.